Hi, and welcome to today's video. Have you ever wondered how you can become the best version of yourself? Unlocking your full potential isn't about becoming someone else. It's about discovering and maximizing the greatness already inside you. In this video, we'll explore a simple and actionable roadmap for personal growth to help you reach new heights in life. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with self-awareness. The first step to personal growth is knowing yourself. Ask yourself, what are my strengths? What are my weaknesses? What are my passions and goals? Spend time reflecting on these questions. You can journal, meditate, or talk with people who know you well. Self-awareness is like a map. It helps you understand where you are and where you want to go. Step 2. Set clear and meaningful goals. Once you know yourself better, it's time to set goals, but not just any goals, clear and meaningful ones. Use the SMART method. Specific. Be clear about what you want to achieve. Measurable. Define how you'll measure success. Achievable. Make sure your goal is realistic. Relevant. Ensure it aligns with your values and purpose. Time-bound. Set a deadline. For example, instead of saying, I want to get healthier, say, I will walk 10,000 steps daily for the next 3 months. Step 3. Develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can improve with effort. Here's how to build one. Embrace challenges. Learn from failure. Celebrate progress, not perfection. When you believe you can grow, you'll approach life with curiosity and resilience. Step 4. Invest in continuous learning. To unlock your potential, you need to keep learning. Read books, take courses, watch videos, and listen to podcasts. Choose topics that excite you and push you outside your comfort zone. Remember, knowledge is power, but only if you apply it. Take what you learn and put it into action. Step 5. Build healthy habits. Your habits shape your life. Focus on building habits that support your goals, such as waking up early, exercising regularly, eating nutritious meals, practicing gratitude. Start small. For example, if you want to exercise more, begin with 10 minutes a day. Small steps lead to big results over time. Step 6. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with have a big impact on your growth. Surround yourself with those who inspire, encourage, and support you. Join communities or groups aligned with your interests. Seek mentors who can guide you. Distance yourself from negativity. As the saying goes, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Step 7. Practice self-discipline. Achieving personal growth takes discipline. There will be days when you feel unmotivated, but that's when discipline comes in. Create a daily routine. Set reminders to stay on track. Reward yourself for staying consistent. Discipline is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Step 8. Take care of your mental and emotional health. Your potential isn't just about achievements, it's also about well-being. Make time to care for your mind and emotions. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Talk to someone you trust when you're feeling overwhelmed. Focus on self-compassion instead of self-criticism. When you feel balanced and strong inside, you'll be better equipped to grow. Step 9. Take action, even when it's scary. Growth often happens outside your comfort zone. If you're waiting for the perfect moment, you might wait forever. Take action today, even if it's just a small step. Apply for that job. Start the project you've been thinking about. Speak up in a meeting. Courage isn't about not feeling fear, it's about taking action despite it. Step 10. Reflect and celebrate progress. Finally, take time to reflect on your journey. Ask yourself, what have I accomplished so far? What challenges did I overcome? What's next? Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress motivates you to keep going. Unlocking your full potential is a journey, not a destination. It's about growing a little each day, learning from your experiences, and staying true to yourself. Remember, you already have everything you need inside you. Now, it's time to take action and shine. If this video inspired you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to unlock their potential. Let me know in the comments, what's the first step you'll take today on your personal growth journey? Thank you for watching Live a Lot Better, and I'll see you in the next video.